Hey, Paul Akers here. So Alikhan's here from Kazakhstan. See, there's Alikhan right there. Alikhan from Kazakhstan. He's going to be famous. And he's got his first day tomorrow at FastCap, and we're going to make an improvement on Sunday. And the improvement is we came to Costco to get the Toyota truck tire fixed because it had a flat. And we found out that the tire pressures were inflated at all different levels, 30, 40, 50, 70. And well, the reason why probably is because people don't know what the pressure is because it's hard to find it, look it up in the manual. So Alikhan's going to make a label today when we go home, and then we're going to find some strategic place to put it in the car where everyone would obviously see it. Then we're going to apply it to that so that problem never happens again. There you go. We solved the problem of safety, which is a big issue, right? And then I think safety is the big one that we're solving there.
Yeah,
right?
that's the most important.
Okay, there you go.
So earlier today we had a problem with tire pressures. We went to Costco and we found out that all our tires are kind of at different pressures. So here we're now at FastCap, and now we have this pressure thing here. And the answer to the question should be where it arises. So here we can see, we decided that we put the labels here. So we see the Toyota tire pressure and the Lexus tire pressure, both at 32 PSI. And we also put the stickers in both of the cars, so you can also see in the cars what the tire pressure should be.
Okay. Oh, right there. Look at that. Here. Okay, and on the Lexus we have the same thing.
Yeah. So, and also this is my first day in Bellingham, and we already with Paul we did almost over 20 improvements today, and it's just the first day. So
it's not the first day. Today's Sunday. Tomorrow's the first day.
Yeah, exactly. We're like day 0, so we're already at 22 improvements. So
no way.
No, yeah.
Are you hooked on lean?
I'm hooked on lean, totally.